The Iowa Test of Performance Profiles contains a large amount of data, and we want you to be able to look at your child's scores and interpret the results. Our reason for utilizing this type of standardized test is because it helps measure your child's knowledge in subject areas, and it's a great tool we use to help monitor and track your child's progress over time. It also helps your child's teacher for the upcoming school year to prepare and develop goals for your child as well as the class as a whole. If you'll look at the upper left quadrant, it's made up of a summary of your students' results. On the far left, titled Test, this lists the main subtest and the larger grouping of subtests. For example, the reading grouping includes the vocabulary and reading comprehension subtest. The core total grouping includes your students' scores for all the reading, language, and math tests. The composite grouping includes scores for all the tests. If you'll look to the next column titled Scores, this provides the core or the data that you need for each test. The GE, or grade equivalent, provides the grade equivalent for your students' test scores. This represents the grade level at which a student's performance corresponds. A grade equivalent of 4.6, for example, would mean that the student's score is equivalent to what an average fourth grader would likely achieve in the sixth month of school. The NPR column provides the national percentile rank for your student. This is the most significant score to you and our school. It tells how your student compares to other students across the country within the same age group and grade level that took this particular test. These scores range from 1 to 99, and it shows the percentage of students in the norm group who scored lower than your student. For example, if there's an NPR of an 85, this means that your student scored better than 85% of the students in the norm group. If you look to the right, you will see the graph of the NPR scores. Now, the bottom half of the page shows how your student performed on the individual tasks and skills. This section can allow you to determine if your child is stronger in math problem solving than math multi-step word problems. Across the top of the columns, you can see the following information. The total items is the number of items in the test that relates to this particular skill. The number of attempts is the number of questions that your student attempted to answer. The percentage of CSTU is the percentage of total questions that your student answered correctly. So if it says 100%, they answered 100% of the questions correctly. The percentage CNAT is the national average of the percent correct. So that means nationally, this is the percentage of students that answered those particular questions correctly. The difference is the difference between your student's percentage correct and the national average correct. The number of attempts column should indicate whether your child was able to finish the test. We hope that this gives you an explanation and a comprehensive view of your child. Thank you for your support of Rock Springs Christian Academy.